So means our Java program resides in the objects and classes. Object and classes. For example, some object-oriented programs are there. For example, polymorphism. Next, inheritance. Example: inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation. For example, to the object-oriented. So the Java programs are resides the Java program is resides the objects and the classes. That's why I'm saying the Java program is object oriented. What is that? Object oriented. Next, fourth one is robust and secure. Robust and secure. So Java is robust language. What is that? Java is robust language. How the Java program is strict compile time, and run time checking errors for data types. You can see strict compile time and runtime checking errors for data types. So how we can checking the errors? Some concept is there. So when we are using the Java program, in the Java program compulsory we can use the secure some secure concepts like so for example you can see strict compile time and runtime checking. So compile time is another, runtime is another. Compile time means, so in the C language Alt F9, it is nothing but a compile time, Alt F9. So it will converted from alphabetic English language to high level language, English language to machine language. So compile time means what? Our program alphabetical means English language to machine language. So and runtime checking means output of the program. So it will strictly compile time. So and the data types. So Java is designed so checking errors means garbage. What is that? Garbage collected. So garbage means what? Errors. What is that? Errors. So Java is designed as garbage collected. So this will relieving the programmers virtually all memory management problems. So programmers means when we are creating the software, who person is creating the software. That is the programmers. So software ఎవరైతే తయారు చేస్తారో వాళ్ళు programmers అవుతారు. So that programmers compulsory memory management problems are collected. Memory management problems are collected. So when we are using the some concept is exception handling using in the Java program. So Java incorporates the concept of exception handling. It captures the serious errors. And reduce memory and reduce the memory size and also so exceptionally serious errors and reduce the eliminates crashing of system errors. So it will also eliminate the system errors using the exception handling concept in the Java program. So it is a very important to the Java program. Exception handling is a very important Java handling. So again we can see the Java is a robust language. So compile time and run time, checking errors for the data types, and it is designed means the Java is designed as a garbage collected, and this is relieving the programmers from all memory management problems. So when we are using the exception handling, we can eliminate some system crashing errors and also secure. So Java not only checking the memory access, not only verify the memory access, but also uses use no viruses programs communicated with internet applications. Example applet. So you can see, so robust means checking the errors into the Java program using some concept is the exception handling, but secure. So and also checking Java is also checking the memory, but also no viruses programs communicated with internet applications. So no viruses means we can wherever threads are there in the Java program, that is eliminates. So next